guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It is your girl Giselle. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a unboxing video of a lovely hair company called NiaWigs. I'm super excited because I actually received a headband wig from the company, and I'm so excited to be showing you guys. So I actually just got done doing my makeup. How do we feel about it? It looks super good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what NiaWigs sent me, and yeah, I'm also gonna be giving you guys a few different looks on how you can style the wig as well. Okay guys, by the way, I look super crazy, but anyways, whatever. This is the box. This is the NiaWigs box. Super cute. Love the packaging. So let me show you guys what's inside. So inside we have the lovely bag that the wig comes in. So this is the bag. Super cute. Love it. It also has like a little sentence on the, well, a few sentences on the back. It says, "We live only to discover beauty. All is a form of waiting. All else is a form of waiting." So isn't that really cute? Super cute. They also sent me like 4 different headbands to try from. I'm not gonna lie, I did open 2 of them up already. They're super cute. This is like the paisley pattern, but yeah, they sent me 4 different headbands, so I thought that was really nice. So I have like a blue and a red one, and then I also have a black and a white one. Super cute, super dope. We're gonna go ahead and install this wig. Literally, when I tell you guys, it's literally like a 1-2 step. Girl, baby girl. It's a 1-2 step. It's the 1-2 step for me. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Okay, so this hair is like a blonde ombre type of hair. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on your girl's head because girls, you know. You already know what the tea is, period is. So it's literally so easy. You put the cap on. Well, you put the wig on, and then snap it in the back. Literally so easy, y'all. This wig is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush the wig out because, you know, we like to have a nice fluffy look. So I'm gonna just brush it out. This hair is beautiful, by the way, like so beautiful. And I feel like this color is perfect for fall and winter. It just gives you like, you know, Christmassy vibes, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what each of the headbands look like on me so far, and then I will be showing you guys actual outfit pieces. So yeah, so this is the black headband, and I'm gonna like finesse it in the mirror because girl, you can't see. So this is the black headband. Super cute, super casual, you know. Period, girl, you're with the vibes. That's just what Matt says, okay? This is the white one. Super gorge. We love it, boo. It's giving very much so Christmas vibes, you know. This is the red one. I like this one a lot. I feel like it's really cute. So this is the red. And this is the blue. Super cute. Love it. I always love like a blonde and blue combination. Like it's everything blue. But now I'm going to be showing you guys a few different styles on how you can wear this wig. So yeah.
go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was kissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone. She would probably cut you out and unplug her phone. And she'd be mad if she was alone. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that I'm the one to keep you with you, if your girl could only see how you be calling me, keeping fresh in me. You alone, you probably cut you out and unplug her phone. And she'd be mad, that she was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She's crazy to put up with you. That's why I won't be no show. But you see, it ain't easy to get to know, baby. It's time to put with you in. I won't be no show. It ain't easy to get to. You will probably leave you alone. Cause you out and unplug her phone. She'd be glad you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She would probably leave you alone. Cause you out and unplug her phone. She'd be glad you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry.
Alright guys, this concludes today's video. Thank you so much for NiaWigs for sponsoring this video for today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. By the way guys, we finally made it to 4K subscribers, so I'm gonna be getting a giveaway set together for you guys. So yeah, a giveaway is gonna be coming very soon. Possibly in the next video I will be doing the giveaway instructions, so you guys stay tuned for that, period. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.